Hello, dear students. I am Assistant Professor Rushali Ahir, and in the previous session of fermentation technology, we have already started with the production process or the methods used for the vinegar, in which we have already seen the Orleans method. In our this session, we are going to study about the second method, which is the submerged fermentation method. So basically, the submerged fermentation method is widely used for the production of vinegar from the wine or for the production of wine vinegar. Basically, the fermentation bioreactor in this method are made up of stainless steel, which are known as acetators. यहाँ जो फर्मेंटेशन टैंक हम यूज़ करते हैं उस फर्मेंटेशन टैंक को एसिटेटर बोला जाता है and it is made up of stainless steel. These stainless steel acetators are fitted with centrifugal pumps at its bottom. और ये centrifugal pumps का काम क्या होता है? It allows the passage of air bubbles. उस सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप से कंटिन्यूसली एयर बबल्स निकलते रहते हैं एंड दे आर पास्ड इनसाइड द टैंक. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने एक्वेरियम देखा होगा. एक्वेरियम में कंटिन्यूसली एयर बबल सप्लाई होते रहते हैं, एयर बबल्स निकलते रहते हैं. इट सप्लाइज द ऑक्सीजन टू द फिशेस प्रेजेंट इनसाइड दैट एक्वेरियम. सिमिलरली हमने पहले भी देखा है कि हम यहाँ अपनी जो स्ट्रेन यूज करते हैं, इट इज़ द एसिटोबैक्टर स्पेसीज एंड इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली एरोबिक इन नेचर. इट रिक्वायर्स ऑक्सीजन फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ. सो दिस oxygen is supplied in the tank with the help of these centrifugal pumps set at the bottom and which pumps continuously the air bubbles inside the tank. As the proper setup is done, the alcohol is added inside the tank, which is stirred continuously with the help of pumps. After the addition of alcohol, the acetozyme nutrients are added inside the tank. Due to addition of these acetozyme nutrients, it enhances or increases the growth of acetobacter inside the fermentation tank. As the acetobacter species starts growing, it converts alcohol into our desired product, which is vinegar. So हमने अल्कोहल ऐड कर दिया, न्यूट्रिएंट्स ऐड कर दिया, हमारी स्ट्रेन भी ऐड कर दी. आफ्टर दिस the temperature inside the tank is maintained by the heaters which are set in the fermentation tank. These heaters, they helps to maintain the temperature between 26 to 38 degrees Celsius. Specifically, it requires 29 degrees Celsius for the proper growth of acetobacter. So, this process is continuously carried out for many hours. During these hours, the alcohol is converted into vinegar. After the production of vinegar, the vinegar is removed from the acetator with the help of pump यूज़ करके हम जो एसिटेटर होता है, हमारा जो स्टेनलेस फर्मेंटेशन टैंक होता है, उस टैंक में से पंप यूज़ करके हम क्या करते हैं, विनेगर रिमूव करते हैं. एंड देन दिस आफ्टर रिमूविंग दिस विनेगर, इट इज़ पास्ड थ्रू द filter. Here we are using plate and frame filter. Now this plate and frame filter, they are basically just like हमारा एक filter होता है. In this filter there is, just a second, see, in this form we has a filter. सो इस फ्रेम में, फिल्टर में प्लेट्स होती है and alternatively different filters are arranged. So in this way, जब हम पाइप यूज़ करके फिल्टर में हमारा विनेगर इसमें पास करते हैं, that time what happens, these plates help to pass our vinegar through these paper filters. जब भी फिल्टर में से हमारा विनेगर पास होता है, then it contains different types of sediments. That sediments remains inside these filter and the pure form of vinegar is removed from the filter purposes. Okay, so these vinegar, it is piped from the acetators and passed through the plate and frame filter machine, which removes the sediments. Usually it contains near about 3% sediments are present inside the total product, and these sediments are flushed or drained out, and the filtered vinegar, it is passed to the dilution station, and further the dilutions are made in the vinegar, different types of flavors are added, and then the marketing is done after checking its various parameters. So this was the second method of production of submerged fermentation method. Now there are many other methods are also used, like trickling filter method or surface process method, generator methods for the production of vinegars are used, but will not go in much detail in that. It also includes generator method, balsamic vinegar method, and lot more other methods are used for the production of vinegar. So now we will study about the applications of vinegar. So the most basic or widely used application of vinegar is as a flavoring agent, for which is used for the production of various liquid foods such as sauces, ketchups, pickling purposes. It is used to increase the flavor of different types of foods. Then vinegar can also be used to fight infections at acute conditions, means at the primary conditions. To fight against those infection, vinegar can be used. In the previous eras, in the time of Hippocrates, they have recommended that vinegar preparation can be used for the cleaning of ulceration and for the treatment of sores. जब भी सोर्स होता है या फिर एलर्जिक रिएक्शन होती है, that allergic reactions or the ulcers, which is basically infection to the throat or the alimentary canals, तो ये कैनल्स में जो भी इन्फेक्शन होता है, दैट इन्फेक्शन कैन बी क्लीन्ड with the help of vinegars. Then it can be also used or prescribed in the curation of cough, as well as vinegar has the use in anti-tumor activity. Basically, it is said that sugarcane vinegar, it induces apoptosis or the natural killing of cells, and traditional Japanese rice vinegar, it inhibits the growth of cancerous cell. So the cancerous cells can be stopped from the growing, or the proliferation of the human cancer cell can be inhibited by using Japanese rice vinegar. So as an anti-tumor activity, we can use the vinegar, as well as it decreases the doubling time of cells and inhibit the cell motility. Then the other applications of vinegar are that the vinegar, it also has various dietary sources like polyphenols. These polyphenols are the compounds synthesized by plants to defend against oxidative stress. ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस के अगेंस्ट डिफेंड करने के लिए प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, पॉलीफिनॉल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. एंड दीज पॉलीफिनॉल्स कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड or to the body of human being with the help of vinegar. And due to ingestion of polyphenols inside the human body, it enhances the antioxidant property of the human being. विनेगर क्या करता है, पॉलीफिनॉल्स को इंड्यूस करता है बॉडी में. एंड पॉलीफिनॉल्स का रोल क्या करता है, पॉलीफिनॉल इट एक्ट्स एज अ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इनसाइड द ह्यूमन बॉडी which decreases the cancer risk to the consumers of the vinegar. विनेगर अगर प्रॉपर अमाउंट में कंज्यूम किया जाए देन इट डिक्रीजेस द रिस्क ऑफ कैंसर, as it is a source of polyphenols. So these were all about the applications of vinegars. Here are the different categories of vinegar uses. Means vinegars can be bottled, or it can be used for the different types of sauces, pickles, mustard, tomato products, or other processed food can be prepared by using vinegars. So this was all about the vinegars, different types of vinegars, as well as we have also seen the different types of microorganisms used for the production of vinegar, then the inoculum development, production process, as well as the application of vinegar. Thank you for watching.